Hi viewers, welcome to Mantan TV. Today we are with CA Hanmandloo sir. Today's topic is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima.
Yes.
Sir, good morning sir.
Good morning.
Sir, can you please explain about this scheme sir?
Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. This is started in 2022.
Okay.
This is to protect, this is to give some financial support
Okay.
to the people who incurred loss of life
Okay.
or physically handicapped, losing eyes and legs, hands, or physically became disabled permanently. But to provide financial support to these people,
Okay.
let it be any person. There is irrespective of any person can apply for become a member of the can purchase for can become a member of this Suraksha Bima Yojana. And this is because many people, poor people also, they are traveling on the road. They may met with accident and they may incur financial trouble and health trouble, everything. The family may incur problems. Middle class also maybe, because for them 2-3 lakhs also a good figure for that. That will create a lot of financial burden on them. And if they become disabled also, that will become their future will become. So give some financial support. This scheme was started by the government. Instead of government giving money for casualties, the government is taking a policy, giving a policy to the person, so that if you incur any loss of life or physical disability or permanent disability, you are eligible for this much of amount.
Okay.
So the premium is very much low, so that even small poor people also can pay. That policy is for 1 year, from 1st June to next year May, 1st June to 31st May of next year. Every year the policy starts from 1st June to 31st May. The premium is 20 rupees per annum. Per annum, the insurance cover is 2 lakhs. The person lose his life, means he become dead. So the family will get, nominee will get 2 lakhs. Or the person become physically handicapped because of losing one eye and leg, means one eye, one leg, one hand. This is he will be eligible for 2 lakhs. The person loses one eye and one leg only, or one eye and one hand,
Okay.
or one hand, one leg. The partial disability, he will be eligible for 1 lakh company.
Is there any period of policy sir?
The period is for only 1 year,
Okay.
1st June to next year May 31st.
Okay.
Whenever you pay the payment, coverage will be only for 1 year from 1st June to 31st.
Okay.
And the people eligible are any person who is having bank account.
Anyone can apply.
Even zero balance account also can apply.
Okay.
You are having a post office savings certificates with any financial institution. If you are having, you are eligible for. And the age is 18 years to 70 years. Age of a person covered age is 18 to 70 years. So the process.
And who will manage this scheme sir?
Entire thing will be premium will be collected by the bank.
Okay.
Bank.
Auto debit.
If I am having an account with bank, I can ask my bank to advise auto debit every year premium.
Okay.
So every year the bank will debit 20 rupees and will pay to the insurance company.
Okay.
If I have my account is with post office, I can advise the post office to debit auto debit every year, or else I can pay every year. I can pay to that, and I can become a purchase. And this bank kind of a post office will purchase policy. Will handle the policy, will collect the premium, pay to the insurance company, and get the policy certificates on behalf of the account policy holder. They will keep it with the bank.
Okay.
So the person need not have the policy with him. The bank or post office will maintain the records.
Okay.
And that will act as a collecting agent and also record maintenance on behalf of the policy holder. So bank will play important role. Bank account or post office, whichever I maintain in my account, that will play important role in maintaining. Suppose if anything happens to the person who made an insurance, he need not go to insurance company. The bank will, you can approach the bank. The bank will forward the insurance claim to the insurance company, and that will get the money, and that will be forwarded to the beneficiary or person who has met with the accident.
Okay.
So the insurance policy holder need not go to insurance company. The bank itself will be acting as a mediator to collect the premium from the policy holder and to collect the certificate from the acknowledgement insurance policy certificate which come from the insurance companies.
Okay.
All these are advantages. Earlier there was not much encouragement, but now many people are because of natural many accidents are happening. So many people are joining. and auto debit facility is also available, and that will come benefit to the people, especially poor people. For them, poor people, to protect you to financial support in case of accident, this policy is given.
Is there any time, sir, at when to join the scheme?
The joining time is May 1st, May 31st.
Okay.
Now you can join for next year. In July, for the insurance premium starts from June 1st to May 31st next year. So up to May 31st of this year, you can join there. Means you have to approach the bank to become a policy holder.
Okay.
The bank will purchase policy. The bank will pay the payment, collect the debit the premium to your account, will pass on to the insurance company. So this will happen like that. The bank will act as the agent of the insurance companies as well as the insurance purchaser.
Okay.
The person who makes it. So for that, the bank will collect 1 rupee charge from the insurance company. That need not be just like agent commission.
And what are the eligibility conditions, sir? As you said, only the bank account is enough. Only the bank account is enough.
Only bank account, the authorized bank account should be there, post office account, any savings schemes.
Okay.
Every company, any person which is attached to the Reserve Bank of India.
Okay.
Means it is a motor which is with job, gender account, maybe Aadhaar mobile is attached to any account.
Okay.
That is eligible. He is eligible for this scheme.
And what is there any premium, sir, on this? Appropriate
Premium is 20 rupees per annum.
Per annum.
Per annum means
Okay.
daily it comes to 1.5 rupee, 1 rupee 70 paise like that only. The premium is only 1.5 rupee, 20 rupees
Okay.
per annum. And the people eligible are only 18 years to 70 years. Anybody is eligible.
And as you said that there is an auto debit option, right, sir?
Yes.
What
Suppose
is the
I
procedure?
need not go every time to pay to the bank and pay the amount to remind the bank. I can instruct the bank to auto debit my account, and they will every year they will pay to the premium. That will
Okay.
continue, and they need not go remind every time to the
Every
bank.
time.
Auto debit facility also will
Okay.
for indefinite period. And
And when will be this will be closed, sir? The scheme.
and this will be closed when the person attains completes the age of 70 age.
Okay.
After this scheme is not eligible, if a person completes 70 years of age, bank therefore, if you close the account with the bank where your auto debit of premium is paying, that means the bank cannot collect the premium. That will deem it will discontinued. That will be means the policy will not be continued.
Okay.
And next is any technical reason.
Okay.
Suppose for any some wrong information or some defect was there, or misleading correct information was there, fake information, fake policy was taken. All this will be this will create problem. And suppose one person is having account with so many banks, 2 or 3 banks,
Okay.
in what we'll call post office certificates also. Only you can apply for through only one account.
Okay.
You cannot apply for multiple accounts. Suppose I'm having account with post office as well as bank account. I cannot apply for both.
Okay.
I can apply only through bank only or post office, whatever I choose. So only one policy is eligible. Person is eligible for only one policy,
Okay.
not more than one policy. That policy is that policy coverage 2 lakhs for accident and natural death, and all this will be participating bank will look after the collection of premium and payment to insurance companies. Administration also will be done by the banker and insurance company.
Okay.
The data flow also will be done by both of them. The insurance policy holder need not approach the insurance company. That's the main advantage. It is a responsibility of participant bank or post office to collect the information and to collect the premium from the policy holder and pay to insurance company and collect the certificate insurance policy from the insurance company for its record. And if the insurance company asks for any details, suppose an accident happens, that the bank has to provide to the insurance company, this is the policy we have paid, the premium we have paid, this is the policy we have purchased. And based on that details, the insurance company will pay the compensation to the person who has met with accident through this bank account. And one more thing is 2 lakhs for loss of life, already told you.
Yeah.
At any physically handicapped, becomes physically handicapped, loss of sight, hand and leg, that will be 2 lakhs compensation. Any eye and hand, 1 eye, 1 hand, 1 lakh, 1 eye, 1 leg, 1 lakh, hand and one hand, 1 leg, 1 lakh, And if both the eyes and both hands or both legs lost, means it will be, means permanently disabled,
Okay.
you get 2 lakhs.
Okay.
So they mainly to cover small and poor and lower class people who doesn't have income, they have to support financial support, or to provide the financial security. The central government has brought this policy, and this is continuing from last 2 years. I think this is a more advantageous to the people, small poor people.
Okay.
Those are having, now India is having, everyone is having account with either post office or bank or anything, so they are eligible for this policy.
Okay.
The main condition is the person should not be 18, less than 18 years, more than 70 years. And there is no pre-requirement that whether he is addicted to drugs, smoking, nothing is there. Only external coverage. This scheme is exclusive for external coverage. It is irrespective of health condition of the person.